This is Making Money and Saving Money with Sharon. And this video is about a great little survey site. I know maybe a lot of you don't want to do, surveys, but I think this one is really different because most of theirs are short and they give bonuses a lot of the time, and they cash out. It's nothing. You could cash out at $5, you know, and the and they pretty quick about paying you. So I want to share you with Eureka. Of course, it's free to join. That's number one. Everybody want to know that. And let me show you the cash out part. Look at the cash out part. You see, I started over. That's why you see $1.77. I just cashed out last week, $5 and some change. But you see that they have the different cash out: Visa, PayPal, Amazon, bank transfer, Walmart, Target. Look at all the names here. Let's slowly look at the how you can cash out. But I always choose the the PayPal payment because it's money, and I feel I could choose. But you could do that with the Visa card too. But that'd be mostly like online, I would think. But the PayPal, for sure, you could either transfer it to your bank that way through PayPal, because they will secure it for you, or you could get asked for a PayPal debit card, which when sometimes I don't want it through PayPal through my bank. So I would get the debit card that PayPal provide, and that way I could go to a store or whatever, and without using my card and my information when I cash out. So look at that, Amazon on here. Everybody, a lot of people love Amazon. I ain't gonna say everybody, but let's say I love it too. But I'm saying I ain't gonna say everybody. So look at the different Buffalo Wild Wings, Burger King, Chili's. Chili's one of my favorite places. I love Chili's. Let's see, eBay. All the favorite, GameStop. All you gamers out there, you want to take yourself out for a breath? Well, you got to cash out more than $5 to take yourself. I don't know. Well, yeah, because I was gonna say about their breakfast, they little specials, but yeah, you still gotta have more than $5. But like I said, the cash out is at $5. I'm talking about actually going into places by IHOP. These days you're not gonna get. But anyway, so the cash out is at 5. They pretty quick about paying you out. They so quick that I don't know, because I've been doing it for over a year, but they actually pay me the same day. That is so wild. So look at that, Marshalls, Lowe's, Nordstrom. But let me go back to the surveys. You see, they look at it. Don't take too much time out. I'm gonna tell you, a lot of time I be looking at television and be doing these and just doing the surveys. It don't take much. And like I said, the cash out is at 5, or you could set a goal and say, okay, I might want to do $10 this week. You could do it, and then they give bonuses. Like I said, they'll pop up with a bonus, and if you do surveys in 30 minutes, we'll pay you 25% a bonus on top. If you do these in in 30 minutes. And sometimes they would do it several times in a day. And they would do those. And your money could add up faster that way. I mean, it's a really cool survey site. And then they have other offers. And then if you at a store, let's say you at a store that's nearby where it say no check-ins near, well, it said no check-ins nearby, but I'm not at a store. But if you're at a store, you could check that just by you being nearby the store. Look at the very bottom here where it said check-ins. If you be by, so click that and you'll just get paid because you're near that store. I mean, that's cool, right? That's pretty cool, I think. And but like I said, at the check-in, I don't have nothing. But it would usually pop up different stores like I'm nearby, and especially on days that, like you said, you know how all your stores be around the same area. I try to shop like that, so I try to. Yeah, I'm gonna give you an example. If I go to Kroger, I try to go to Walmart and then try to go to Aldi's and then one Wop. But that way I could say, hey, I don't have to do this because that's tiresome. You do it this day, that way. Well, it depends. If they have a special say, I could see that. But I'm just saying, if you just doing your regular shopping, it's just get over in one Wop. Bam, bam, bam. And that's, there you go. So I just want to share this site with you, and I'm going to leave the link below for you to get started. And I think it's a cute little way for you to just some extra money. You might want $5 or $10 for I don't know what, but everybody want a little extra these days with all these high prices going. Everything just so expensive now. So, little extra money won't hurt. And then, like I said, you could do this while watching TV, just relaxing in a chair, and just relaxing. You could do this while talking and everything. I'm talking about like talking to not. Well, you might could do it while you talk on the phone, but well, I don't know. But anyway. You could just do this in your spare time. And like I said, it's a great little site and it pays out pretty fast. Like I said, I don't know because I've been in it for over a year, but I know it pays quickly. And I hadn't had any problems with this. I don't tell anybody about anything that if it's something wrong with it, I'm not going to fool with it. So I'm not going to pass it on to you. That's just wrong. So I'm going to pass on to what is right. And I feel it was right for me, so it should be right for you. So I hadn't had any problems with this site. What else I want to say? Let's go over one more time for you to... Ooh, those who like Bass Pro, Best Buy. But, excuse me. Just because the cash out is at $5, you don't have to do that. You could stack it up. You could set a goal for yourself, especially when they give those bonuses. I'm sorry, I might need some water or something. But anyway, especially when they give those bonuses and money piles up, you don't have to cash out. But the minimum is at $5. So free to join. The minimum is at $5. So look at this. Lowe's, Krispy Kreme, Marshalls, Olive Garden, Outback Steakhouse, Overstock, Papa John's. Did I see PayPal twice? Why in the world I'm seeing PayPal twice? Okay. I don't... Okay, maybe it's because I see how they doing. This part... Okay, they showing the main one. Oh, this part is what showing the most popular. And then this part is showing everything in alphabetical order. That's the difference. So that's why. And then you can give to your favorite charities. That's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. And of course, Walmart, Target, what they say, the favorite ones that people like cash out: Visa, PayPal, because of that money, and Visa about that money too. Amazon, then bank transfer, then Walmart, and then Target. That sound about right. To be the most popular ones. But like I said, this is making money and saving money with Sharon. And I wanted to share this site with you, and also to check out my other videos that I have, and that, of course, about making that money and saving that money. And I'm not an expert in anything. I'm just a consumer, just like you. Want to pass the things that I do to survive in this oh, high pricing world we live in. So I just wanted to pass on to you, and I'll see you next time. And thank you.